Troubleshooting your E2 oxygen concentrator. Please use the following video to help better understand the proper use of your E2 oxygen concentrator. Normal E2 values include oxygen percentages of 85 to 96, a PSI of 50 to 60, and temperatures of 90 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit while in use. How the E2 works. The E2 pulls room air into the unit. The unit compresses the oxygen and removes the nitrogen via filters and sieve beds. The resulting air is medical-grade oxygen stored at 60 psi and is ready on demand. Medical-grade oxygen is considered anywhere between 85 to 96%. Is your E2 reading under 85% oxygen, under 50 psi, or experiencing high temperature failures or turn-offs? Common causes of diminished E2 performance include machine leaks, anesthesia machine leaks can cause a diminished oxygen output. The oxygen concentration will compensate for leaks by increasing the overall liters per minute produced. If the total output of the leak and the used liters per minute exceeds manufacturer's specifications, you will see a decrease in oxygen percentage. Common sites of anesthesia machine leaks include where the oxygen hose attaches to the anesthesia machine, shown here. Both sites could potentially be the cause of a leak. Where the disassembly attaches to the oxygen flow meter. This attachment will vary based on the manufacturer of your anesthetic machine. Clogged or dirty air filters. Clogged or dirty air filters will cause the E2 to potentially overheat and shut down during use. Filters should be cleaned daily to ensure optimal internal temperature and performance. The filter can be vacuumed or cleaned with warm, soapy water. Filters must be completely dry before being placed back into the unit. Any amount of water left on the filter can ruin the internal sieve material. Oxygen flow rates above recommended specifications of 5 liters per minute. Increased oxygen flow rates will exhaust the internal sieve material faster and can lead to an overall decrease in oxygen percentages available. Increased altitude. For every 1,000 feet of elevation above sea level, the PSI on your unit will drop by approximately 1. Accelerated sieve material degradation. Over time, the internal sieve material used to create medical-grade oxygen will degrade. With proper use, the sieve should be able to last approximately 10,000 hours under perfect conditions. Oxygen sensor exhaustion. The following practice will accelerate the degradation of the internal sieve material. Oxygen flow rates exceeding 5 liters per minute, high atmospheric humidity levels, and increased altitude. Oxygen sensor exhaustion may cause the machine to read oxygen percentages lower than the unit's actual output. If this is suspected, please use a secondary oxygen sensor to test your unit's output. Ways to ensure peak E2 performance. Run only oxygen flow rates within the manufacturer's specifications of less than 5 liters per minute. Only use this unit in low humidity environments. Pressure check your anesthetic circuit before each use. Eliminate water use around the unit at all times. Ensure air filters are completely dry before placing back onto the unit. And properly turn the unit off after use. Failing to allow the unit to completely shut down can lead to machine failures. Press and hold the off button on the right side of the screen at the end of every use. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call our 1-800 number or visit vetlandmedical.com.